The heavens of Kenya is open.
Victory 2023 Zimbabwe. Father's blessing.
It is the time for us to visit the nation of Zimbabwe.
I saw myself in your family. I'm not seeing father. I'm looking at mother. I saw this mother. I saw 9. One that is supposed to be 7 because one is a set of twins. I saw myself with Emmanuel.
Emmanuel is the first twin.
Hallelujah. I saw myself with Anthony.
Anthony is the second twin.
Tuesday 10th and Wednesday 11th October 2023 at City Sports Center, Harare, Zimbabwe, 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily.
We are going to be dedicating our prayer city.
Thursday 12th October, Father's blessing and church dedication of Omega Fire Ministries Prayer City by 7 a.m.
And by 8:30, the same venue, I'll be ministering and impacting pastors and partners.
For partnership and reservations, call.
I come to Harare because God said to me, your time has come.
Zimbabwe, it's your season.